Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. When it comes to drying your car with forced air, we've talked about using the air compressor and its many attachments. We've also talked about mini units. Mentioned often, my shoulders are bad, so the light units like that really help me out. We have talked about Metrovac type units to dry your car. And we've also talked about corded leaf blowers. Today we're going to talk about cordless leaf blowers or shop blowers. And this one here is the Kobalt 40 watt. Let's take a look. This here is the Kobalt 40 volt cordless axial blower. 40 minutes of continuous runtime on a full charge. 480 CFM, 110 miles per hour. This will run you $139. It's an intermediate unit from Kobalt. Features the variable speed trigger with lock and the turbo button. The lock is also called cruise control. It has a 5-year tool warranty, 3-year battery warranty. Comes with battery and charger. The extension here also comes with the tool and snaps right on. Instead of the battery pack being an attachment and clinging onto the tool, it actually gets inserted inside the tool. Locks with a release lever as well. It'll give you a full charge life indicator right here. As you can see, this one is fully charged, ready to go. We'll insert it and we'll get to work.
Consistently bad, according to some people. Consistency's consistency, bro. See how much I have to undo things?
A fully charged battery will be solid green. A charge in progress will be flashing green. Let me demonstrate on midsize SUV here. It needs to be dried off. There are actually 3 cars within the vicinity. I'm going to time this one and show you how quick we can get around the car with the powerful little unit here. And then I'll dry the other 2 cars. We'll check battery life, gives you an idea of what the tool is capable of. Something I quick want to share with you after drawing 3 full vehicles. We have 3 out of 4 bars when it comes to the life of the battery on that particular charge. And speaking of the weight of the unit, with the battery installed, just under 7 pounds. Store it away, just find a hook to hang it on. That will bring us to the final thoughts segment of the video, the Cobalt 480/110. There are some cheaper units under this same model, under $100, but the 480/110 is just right for me when it comes to power, being able to run it for about 45 minutes or so. So that's 3 or 4 vehicles depending on the size. The weight is just right where I can hoist it above my shoulders just high enough to get the roof of some of the higher cars without running down my bad shoulders here. So when it comes to a rating on the channel, it's going to get very impressive. I hope that helps you out. We just about covered all of the forced air variants of ways to dry your car. We talk about a lot of the microfiber towels, and that pretty much covers it. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you want me to touch upon within the subject of drying your car, mention it down in the comments section. Love you guys. Catch you in the next video.